So back in early March, I got this pack of garden bean seeds, and I started them in individual egg carton compartments. And please note, I'm not a gardener, I just bought some seeds, soil, and pots on a whim one day. Anyways, soil, water, and sunshine, and after about a week or so, they'd sprout up out of the soil and little leaves would start to break through the seedlings. Is that what they're called? I don't know. So I repotted the plants as they grew bigger, and after a few weeks of watching this first one grow taller and create more levels, these little white flowers started blooming, and then they'd fall off as the beans started growing out of them. Honestly, out of pure laziness, I let this plant grow pod after pod and finally just harvested 3 of the longest ones. Alright, here's the riffraff of my garden bean efforts. I've had these guys outside in pots, and they're looking a bit rough, probably due to insects and some unpredictable weather. Good news is they're not dead yet, they're just struggling, like people. We'll see how they fare. Okay, back to the thriving bean plant. Now I just need to figure out what I can make with 3 little bean pods. You thinking what I'm thinking? When in doubt, breakfast scramble.